Hey friends, running Kimono here. Well, Walmart Christmas clearance hit 90% off today, guys. This is $180 of savings on these kits of the Dollar Shave Club razors. I will talk about this one straight away. And I also found other stuff at 90% off. Now, first thing this morning, if you're following social media, a lot of people were saying, oh, it's 90% off, but it was only at certain stores. And I think around lunchtime, all the stores started hitting 90% off on Christmas clearance. You'll either find it in regular aisles, you will find it in the clearance section, end caps, etc. Now, the beauty of the Dollar Shave Club stuff is that this does not look like Christmas stuff. And there are two versions of it. There's one with a little hanger on the top that you can just hang that on a shelf. And then there's these ones that are, you know, there's no hanger. This is the one that's ringing up for 89 cents. Original price point, $9.98. I'll talk about this in a quick second. And if you're from the Midwest, Meijer Christmas stuff, 75% off, along with a good little deal on some soap. And we're gonna talk about 90% over at Meijer tomorrow. Okay, first store that we have is Walmart, and if I were you, I would go to the site brickseek.com and then type in this UPC, which is right here. Make sure this is focused for the razor. Type in this UPC, so grab a screenshot, guys, type in this UPC, and then type in your zip to the site. And if your store says something like, you know, 6+ in stock, it's probably on an end cap or a side cap. And it's not gonna be with the regular Christmas stuff, because this does not look like Christmas merchandise. It looks like regular merchandise. So I think for the most part, the staff didn't put this with the Christmas stuff. So I found this on a side end cap, and there was some with the loop and then some like this. This is the one that you're looking for. And I got 20, which is a lot. But I think they had probably like more than 100 on this display. And I didn't go too crazy. I just got 20. I thought that would be my limit. I'm not sure if you're anything like me, but sometimes these razors, men's razors, work a little better than women's razors. I don't know. They just work really well, so I was delighted to get this. So both my husband and myself will probably use all of these because it's a good quality razor. And just to let you know too that the BrickSeek site, how do I explain this? It is just a place to look for inventory. It isn't something that you can bring to the staff and say, well, it says it on this site, so you have to go and look for it for me. Just use it as a reference point, and that's what it's for. They have more verbiage on that on the site too, so it's not 100%, but it'll give you an idea of what is and is not in stock. And this morning, first thing, I did type in this UPC, and my store, it was still at 75% off. So this was like $3 and some change. And then I think around 1 o'clock, it went down to 98 cents. So I got my code on and got myself to the store. So it's never also a given too, because what if they have a case of this in the back in a box, you know? You'll have to ask somebody for a little bit of help if they can help you find this exact one. But yeah, just use it as a reference point because sometimes I go look for stuff at Walmart and I can't find it. But I know that multiple people are finding this, and I would say to get out there ASAP, do this before Saturday, because I think this is such a hot item to have a beautiful razor kit like this for 98 cents. People are gonna go crazy for this, so go and make it happen. And the Shopkick rebate for this has since expired, but even for 98 cents, it's a really great price point. Okay, there's also a 6-pack, so it's 6 blades for $1.48. This is the SKU if you want to look it up on BrickSeek. And if you look 12 o'clock, there it is. It's $14.98, so it would be $1.48 and 90% off. So you could see the one that I'm looking at exactly 12 o'clock. It doesn't have that hook at the top to hang it, so that's the one that you would be looking for. So either look for the ones that I showed you previous or this specific one. Good luck, guys. But I found this little Spider-Man thing, and it was 49 cents. I have a friend, her son really likes Spider-Man, so I thought it would make a nice little gift. And then this holiday apron I found as well. There was some other stuff too, but I just left it there, like some bags and bows, but I'm not interested in that. But this little apron was also 78 cents. So everything is 90% off Christmas stuff. I'm assuming by Sunday, most of it will get cleared. The find of the day is definitely the Dollar Shave Club razors. I mean, this is just a killer price point. So get organized, guys. Try and figure out how to get to the store today. If you want razors at this price point, 90% off, it's unheard of. And because it just looks like regular packaging, it doesn't look like a holiday one, that's why. So, I mean, how wonderful is this? So I'm very delighted with this find today. Okay, so over at Meijer, I had a friend that told me that a lot of air care had hit 90, and I found a couple little items here and there, and some of it was in fact 90% off. Now tomorrow, as per the signage, everything I believe is 70 or 75% off right now. And tomorrow, because of the dates on the signage, I think tomorrow it's gonna hit 90, and tomorrow is Saturday, the 9th. So, I will definitely put something on Instagram right away if it goes over to 90 to let you guys know. Some of this stuff today I found is 75% off, and I just snagged it because I had either coupons or it was just such a wonderful price that I'm like, I don't think that's gonna last till, it's not gonna last very much longer. So anyhow, this little Pillsbury Funfetti cake mix was 59 cents each. So for two of them, that's $1.18. I had $1 off 2 TearPad coupon. So it dropped it down to 18 cents for 2, or 9 cents per thing of cake mix. And this doesn't expire till next year, or this March actually. I better eat these quickly. This one's March, and then these ones are for March of 2021. I gotta make this cake today. It's do or die for me. But what a great little price point for cake mix, and I do like funfetti. I made one of these last week. My husband really enjoyed it, so I think I might make another cake later today. Another great find, and I found this, you know where they have the milk and stuff? They had it on an end cap, like a whole bunch of food for clearance, for Christmas stuff. And then this was in the regular section, and this was also on an end cap. And these dashes were $19.99. And they were down to $5.99, so that was 75% off. And it comes with a little cookbook, and then it also has the actual little griddle. I thought for next year this would make a great Secret Santa gift or something. Really be on the lookout for stuff that looks Christmassy, stuff with gingerbread, snowflakes, that sort of stuff. Scan it. If tomorrow is the date at Meijer, it's going to be like people in the store for 20 hours because it is so fantastic. And then another little great deal is with these Cleanies. It's a little tablet that becomes soap for little kids. So, you know, if your kids hate washing their hands, this is a great little item. So you would buy one of these and then get 3 for free. They're on the promotion of buy one, get 3 for free. This is 99 cents and the other 3 would be for free. So it's like you're paying a quarter for this, and you have to buy them in sets of 4 to get it for that price point. But how wonderful is that? So good luck out there, guys. Follow me on Instagram. I'll absolutely put more information about Meijer for tomorrow. And go to that site, BrickSeek, type in, because I have the sneakiest suspicion, because this is such a hot deal, couponers will be out there clearing, like getting a whole cart full, not just 20, and they will really go crazy for this deal, because to pay 98 cents for that, it's almost unheard of. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.